Alright guys, welcome back to Makati tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can simply get free data from MTN, Vodafone and all the other networks by using just text message. Yes, I mean SMS. With the help of SMS you are going to get that data. So let's begin by opening the messages app. I've opened mine already and send MB to 151. 151. You can see that I've already sent a message to 151. Yes, there you have it. I've already sent MB to 151, and this is the feedback that I had, and it reads as request successfully what received. You will be notified shortly after processing. So after the processing, if your device is supported, you are going to receive another message. So if your device doesn't support that kind of data, this is what you are going to receive. You're going to receive a message that sorry, your device is not allowed, meaning you can't use that data on your phone. But if your device is supported, you're going to receive that data. Yes, it didn't work for me in my case, all right, but I'm sure it is going to work for some of you. Yes, so if you try that and you are able to receive the data, make sure you comment under the comment section and say that I've received it successfully. Yes, so that new people can believe what I'm teaching over here. Make sure you subscribe for more videos from Makati tutorials. Day in day out I'm going to keep you guys updated on any free data and free browsing stuff over here.